In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fake lag in online classes, specifically on Google Meets. This could be useful if you find yourself needing to pause your video for any reason without raising suspicion. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to Google Calendar. Open up your internet browser and go to Google Calendar. Most of your classes or meetings will be scheduled here, especially if you're using Google services for your education. It's a great way to keep all your appointments organized and easily accessible. Once you have your Google Calendar open, you'll see the event or class that you need to join. Next, click on the Join with Google Meet link. This link is usually attached to the event in your calendar. Make sure you're joining the correct meeting by checking the details against your schedule. This step is crucial to ensure you're in the right place at the right time. Now that you're in Google Meet, click on the Join Now button. This will connect you directly to the virtual classroom or meeting space. It's important to make sure your camera and mic settings are appropriate for the meeting before you officially join. You don't want to accidentally broadcast something unintentional. Once you're in the meeting, look for the visual effect tool. This is typically located in the bottom area of your screen, often represented by an icon that looks like a magic wand or something similar. Clicking this will open up a menu with various effects that you can apply during your video call. Playing around with these tools can be quite fun, but today we're specifically looking for one tool. Now, click on the Freeze option from the Visual Effect Tools menu. What this does is it captures and holds a still image of your video feed. So even if you're moving behind the scenes to others in the meeting, it will look like your video has simply frozen. This is the key step that gives the illusion of lagging without disrupting your video call. And just like that, you've learned how to fake lag in your online classes using Google Meets. Remember, this might not be appropriate for all situations, so use it wisely and ethically. Faking lag can be a fun way to play around with technology, or just give yourself a moment to catch your breath during those long back-to-back classes. As always, tech tools are there to make our lives easier, so use them to your advantage while respecting others in your virtual space. Thanks for watching, and happy orbiting your online meetings with ease.